guys see, because I'm gonna be welding here, guys. Somebody hires me to weld their pins here. I will be waiting for the owner here. Yawi ha? Oh, thank you. Doon ra, ayan balay. Sige, thank you, B. Yeah. Okay. I guess the kids gonna get the keys, guys. See. Yeah, so I have my solar here, guys, see, in case if I'm gonna get late here outside. Yeah, I would say, guys, that it's not really safe. They don't have the grills here. The people just can climb the fence here, so that's why the owner of this want me to work on this, and which is good. All the way there, guys, see that I'm gonna work on, guys. As you can see, only the net, and so there's really a possibility that they can climb up here, guys. So it's dangerous without this covering here. Safe, but I like the place here. That's the road there, but the owner said that it's okay because, you know, if you're inside the room, you cannot hear the noise here outside. And I guess that CCTV here is working as well. It's so nice, the secured property. So they're just gonna gather all trash here, guys, see, and then later on the trash car truck we're gonna pick up here. Yeah, actually, it's so nice here, guys. It seems. Yeah, I'm a bit hungry, guys, see, because I did not eat my food yet. So I guess I'm gonna eat my food. I dropped by there and buy my rice cake. For the kid getting the keys, guys, see, from the caretaker. So I cannot unload my things here unless open the door there and put inside there, so it will be safe. Sorry, the caretaker now, guys. So ang sugaan ni.
Pwede na ito i-on ang kuhan mo.
Okay. So
sa word niya dahil.
this is what I'm going to weld here, guys, see. So I want it to be covered here with a round bars here. All the way there until here, because that's what the owner wants me to do, so because to make them secured. That's so here's the caretaker. And look at the bathroom here. It's not bad at all. Yeah, so that's the kitchen. And then they have the island here. And this is the bedroom. 2 bedrooms, guys. So I guess I'm gonna put the grills here inside, guys, since that, so it will be tidy. Yeah, so I don't need big bars there, so just a little, just to make sure that there is a grills here. I guess I can do the grills here inside, much easier. No, actually, guys, this is a nice location here. Plus, they have a little bit of balcony here. Yeah, okay na.
Nag-quarter ka. Ini tanong no?
Ako na lang. Oh, okay na. Thank you.
Maano kayo mga gamit?
Oo, nakoy gamit dili ako nang dito. Nakoy gumash.
No?
Ako mismo, yes. Ako mismo.
Okay, oh.
Guys, he's asking me if I'm gonna bring the welder here. I said, no, I'm the one who's welding here. I'll be the welder. Yep. Okay, so that's the handsome caretaker, guys.
Wow.
He was asking me, guys, see if I'm gonna bring a welder here. I said, no, that's why I'm here, because I'm gonna be welding here. Look at my welding machine. Okay.
Supplier na mo sa mga
Yeah, I guess guys, I need to go guys because I'm gonna order some round bars guys so I can start tomorrow because thank you guys. Guys, so I am here guys at so how much is your one guys? The cheapest one. I'm looking for the cheapest one.
Ang bili mo yung narin nila nito si. Kailangan ng chili ma'am. O, di kinulang dagpong bagay. Lala ka gusto yun. Siguro, kakuan ba? Kung pinakalan ng kapal. Akala nila ko yung alaot. Mawilting na, di ba? Yan naman. Pero, basta mawilting na lang.
Yeah, I want to make sure guys because I'm the one who's buying the materials and labor guys. See, so the owner she just gonna have to pay me.
Kaya din.
Sa kong 5.
Bye. Puluan lang na. Makulangan.
5 ka, I need 5. For 12, akin eh, number 12.
Number mo nga.
Yes. Muputol mo di.
Nice fan. Charge.
Ang charge. Sige. Ali. I pay like 950 guys for all together. And then I have the rods already. So I guess that's it for today and then I can start cutting. Nagiging ako ng unpaid na. Pero kung nga dito, kina-charge ninyo. 150? Yan, kung kasi kanti naman. Saka, pwede nyo tapos kasi. Magsabot rami. Tricycle, no? Kung tricycle, eh. Tricycle na, mga barato lang kung tricycle. I decided guys that I hired a habal-habal driver guys. So I'm just gonna have to carry it. Wow.
Ano bro? Magkaba bro.
Ilan mo yung tama?
Wala ba? Ga, pila gani dito ga. Pangayon ni mo.
Sige ma'am, sakay ma'am.
Pila pangayon ni mo.
Ako lang dahil ni ma'am.
Ha?
Ako gira di ako ito.
Sure ka?
Oo.
Sige.
Okay na.
Okay na.
Sure ha?
Sulawan sulawan.
Oh, Sulawan. I guess he's the one's gonna carry it, guys. And then musunod ko nimo. Oh. Nahinay lang ha. Sus, kaya sa kayo guys. Yeah, here you go. Wow. Baga sa gide siya eh. 190. Pila kong bayranan? Okay na 100. Yeah, I'm gonna pay him 100 guys because it's hard guys see. Thank you ha. Thank you. I guess guys, I can start cutting now guys, see. So now here I am inside guys, so I guess I'm gonna have to get ready to do the job guys, see. I need to work hard for this, okay? So of course guys, I have my electric fan here. I have my electric fan guys, just to make sure that. Yeah, so I have my jacket guys. And Of course, I have my extension wire. So I'm gonna wear my helmet guys while I'm cutting the round more guys to be safe. I have my gloves. I have my helmet. So I will go this side. Okay, I will try. Yeah. So I need to get out, guys, see, to have some air. That's also a second-hand clothing there, guys. Oh my goodness, guys, see, look at this. Yeah, this time, guys, I'm eating rice because I thought I missed to eat rice. Yeah, I get out earlier, guys, to eat my dinner because so I am resting tonight, guys, and I'm getting ready for tomorrow. So I'm gonna show you outside now, guys. See. So it is night time, guys. See, so it is really not safe, guys, if I don't cover that one there. I've done that, well, temporarily. Tomorrow I will be able to weld it. After that there, we're gonna be talking to also for grills of her window. I wanna finish that one first. Okay guys, so I think I need to relax now guys. Bye guys, so talk to you alligator tomorrow.